Tilly the tern flew soft and slow over the waves where moonbeams glow. With wings like silk and eyes so bright, she sang to stars that lit the night. She glided past the sleepy shells above the sea where silence dwells. She danced with clouds so calm and wide as glowing dolphins swam beside. The breeze would hum a lullaby while jellyfish lit up the sky. She built her nest on a driftwood beam and rocked herself into a dream. The sea grew still, the stars grew high as Tilly closed her dreaming eye. Wrapped in the hush of the silver sea, she whispered, "Come and dream with me."